Okay, stop. Seriously, don't scroll.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
I'm about to give you something that took other creators years to learn, and you're going to get it all in the next 5 minutes.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So is your channel stuck at 0? Are your videos getting basically no views? Maybe even grinding away for months and nothing's happening? Look, I get it, but listen to me. It's not your camera, it's not your editing, and it's definitely not your voice. It's these mistakes. And yeah, you're probably making every single one of them.
But you know what? We're going to fix that right now. We're going to start with what I call the slow poison of fake growth. Then we'll get into why you might be confusing the heck out of the algorithm. After that, we'll talk about the 90% stranger rule, the simple power of asking, and then the big one, why the idea you choose is literally everything.
All right, let's jump right in. Mistake number 1. This is probably the most tempting and honestly the most dangerous trap for any new creator. We've all seen those ads, right? Get 1,000 subscribers for cheap. It sounds like a fast track to success, but trust me, it's anything but.
It's exactly like it says here. This is not a shortcut to grow your channel. It's a shortcut to kill it. That quick fix you think you're getting, it's really just a slow poison. You're not buying an audience, you're buying a dead weight that's going to drag your channel right to the bottom.
And this really breaks it down, showing you the 2 different paths you can take. See, those fake subscribers, they're just bots. They don't watch your videos, they don't like, they don't comment, they do nothing. And what does that signal to YouTube? It tells the algorithm your content must be super boring. So what happens? YouTube stops showing your videos to anyone, completely killing any shot you had at real organic growth.
Okay, so what if you really do want to spend some money to get a little boost? Well, there is a safe way to do it. You gotta use YouTube's own promotions feature. This way, you're reaching people who are actually interested in what you have to say. Yeah, it's gonna cost a little more, sure, but you're building a real audience, not just a graveyard of fake accounts.
And that leads us perfectly into mistake number 2. See, a channel dies not just from fake subscribers, but also from sending totally mixed signals to the YouTube algorithm.
Just think about it. On Monday, you post a gaming video. Tuesday, you're showing people how to cook. Wednesday, it's a tech review. You're all over the map. And if you don't even know what your channel is about, how in the world is YouTube supposed to figure out who to recommend your videos to?
And here's the cold hard truth of it. A confused algorithm recommends nobody. It literally can't find your audience, so your videos just sit there, stuck in limbo, and your growth just stops, dead in its tracks.
So the solution? You've got to find your niche. Pick one world and stay there. Maybe it's online earning, or student life, or fitness. Doesn't matter what it is, just be consistent.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
That's the moment the algorithm flips from working against you to working for you.
Okay, this next one, it's a really simple shift in how you think, but almost every creator misses it. I promise you, this one is a total game changer for your watch time.
Just let this number sink in for a second. 90%. For pretty much every video you upload, 90% of the people watching are seeing you for the very first time. They're total strangers.
So when you say stuff like, hey, as I mentioned in my last video, or you guys already know this, what do you think happens? You've just instantly alienated that massive new audience. They feel left out, they get confused, and poof, they click away. Your watch time just takes a nosedive. The fix here is so simple. Treat every viewer like they're a total beginner. Assume they know absolutely nothing. The clearer and simpler you make your content, the longer people stick around. And the longer they watch, the more likely they are to think, hey, I like this, and hit that subscribe button.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो ना?
Which brings us perfectly to mistake number 4. Here's a little secret. People won't do something unless you ask them to, and there are 2 super important asks that you are probably skipping right now.
It literally takes 5 seconds. Right after your intro, once you've got them hooked, just say it. If you want more videos just like this one, go ahead and hit subscribe. It's simple, it's direct, and it tells the viewer exactly what to do. And you know what? It works, every time.
And the impact is, well, it's huge. You're not being annoying or pushy, you're just guiding them. I mean, look at this. A simple ask can double or even triple your subscriber rate. Don't leave all those potential subscribers just sitting there.
Now, the second ask is for comments. Comments are like gold for engagement, but here's the key.
Don't just ask for them and then disappear. Pro tip right here. Reply to as many comments as you possibly can, especially in that first hour. When you do that, you're telling the algorithm, hey, this video is sparking a conversation. And that one little habit can completely change your video's momentum.
All right, now for the master key. Once you've fixed all the other stuff we talked about, this is the one. This is what unlocks true viral potential. And it's the truth that, for some reason, nobody seems to talk about enough.
So get this formula burned into your brain. A bad idea with amazing Hollywood-level editing is still gonna flop. But a great idea with just simple, basic editing, that can go viral. See, your idea is the engine. Everything else, your fancy camera, your editing software, your graphics, that's all just a paint job.
Think about it like this. Let's say you make the best cup of tea in the entire world, but you decide to sell it in the middle of the desert. Guess what? You're going to sell 0 cups. There's no demand. But now take that same tea, heck, take just average tea, and sell it at a busy train station. You'd sell out in minutes. It's the same product, but it's all about the demand.
And that right there, that is the secret formula for growth on YouTube. You need to be the tea seller at the train station. You have to make content that people are already searching for, that they're already hungry for. Your job is to find those topics that have a ton of demand from viewers, but not a lot of supply from other creators.
So if you've done all this, you've avoided fake growth, you've nailed down your niche, you're treating every viewer like they're new, and you're actually asking for the subscribe, then congratulations, you are officially past the beginner mistakes. Which leaves you with one single, critical question that should drive your entire strategy from here on out.
And if you want me to show you exactly how to find those high-demand ideas and lay out a step-by-step plan to make your next video go viral, just comment the word viral down below. I'll see you in the next one.